Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox lag speaks. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox lag speaks, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you'll enter two apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you'll enter to this window of Roblox. Then in this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. If you will find here updates, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.